Hi guys, welcome back. It's me Smiley here again. And as I said yesterday that we are going to talk about PCOS today. So I'm going to share all the information I have with me about this problem. And as the title says, we really need to do PCOS ki maki because it's spoiling the life of many girls out there. It is spreading like really fast and it's really not good to have PCOS. So let me tell you all about PCOS and how to prevent it, how to reduce it, and how to get the proper treatment. PCOS, PCOD, and some people call it PCOS, stands for polycystic ovary syndrome. Now, what is that? Polycystic ovary syndrome is a condition in which the hormones of a female get out of balance. The hormones get out of balance, and then a lot of issues start coming up. So, what are the symptoms of PCOS? How to know that if you are having PCOS or not? The first symptom of PCOS is that increase in the level of male hormones in a female. Now, if you're not aware about this, every female body has a certain amount of male hormones naturally. But when you get PCOS, those male hormones tend to increase up. And when they start increasing up, the other symptoms start showing in your body. For example, thinning of your hair, bald patches, acne, oily skin, oily hair, and unwanted hair growth on your face and body. All these are found naturally in a male, but when the male hormones start increasing in a female body, all these all these symptoms start showing in a female body too. The other symptom is missed or irregular periods. If your periods are irregular or you miss them, like after a few months, like you get 6 to 7 or 7 to 8 periods in the whole year, so it may be because of PCOS. Then another symptom is formation of cysts in the ovaries. Number of cysts start to grow up and to form in your ovaries, and they make your ovaries bulky and they create further problems. So if you are having these symptoms, two or three of these symptoms, it may be because of PCOS. If not treated on time, it leads to further problems like infertility. I was told by a doctor that many girls don't get to know that they're having PCOS until they try to conceive, and when they start having problem in conceiving, they get tested and then they get to know that they were having PCOS from a long time, which have blocked their tubes and ovaries, and they are not able to conceive because of that. It increases the risk of diabetes because it increases insulin resistance in your body. It increases the risk of uterine cancer. It makes it difficult for you to lose weight. Now, many people say and think that you are gaining weight because you have PCOS. No, it's totally wrong. It's the opposite. Your body, if it is having tendency of PCOS, so when you start gaining weight, that tendency increases and you get PCOS. And in return, what PCOS does, it makes it difficult for you to lose weight. It doesn't makes you gain weight, it makes difficult for you to lose the weight you have gained. So if you think you are fat because you have PCOS, no. If you are not able to lose the weight even after trying hard, it may be because of PCOS. Now, PCOS is quite confusing. It doesn't mean if you're slim you can't have PCOS. It doesn't mean if you don't have acne you can't have PCOS. It doesn't mean if your periods are regular you can't have PCOS. These are a variety of symptoms that a PCOS body shows, but it is not necessary that you will have all of these symptoms. You may have some of these. So if you are having two or more of these symptoms, I would suggest you that you should get yourself tested. I would really request you to consult a doctor, because if treatment is not taken on time, it will cause you major problems like infertility and obesity and risk of cancer. I don't want you to suffer from all this, so you should take the treatment well before in time. So please, I am repeating the certain common symptoms: increase in acne, facial hair, male pattern baldness, thinning of your hair, oily skin, oily scalp, difficulty in losing weight, missed or irregular periods, all these are very common symptoms which occur when you have PCOS. So check for these. And if you feel depressed all the time, if you feel irritated all the time, if you get too much angry all the time, they are also the cause of PCOS. So just don't let them go so easily. Now, what treatment to take for PCOS? The good news is there are treatments for PCOS, but the bad news is there's no cure. And what are the causes of PCOS? If you are thinking, actually, the researchers are still working to find out the particular cause of PCOS. It may be due to heredity, it may be due to your living environment, due to your food habits, or anything. It can be anything because there is no particular reason for having PCOS. And treatment also, there is no cure of it. I have heard this from a doctor that if a girl is having PCOS, so when the girl have a baby, the PCOS problem gets out with the baby. But till the time you are not planning a baby doesn't mean you won't take treatment for it. There is not particular cure, but there are treatments to reduce this problem, to keep this problem in control. In my suggestion, I would request every girl out there who is having this problem to consider taking homeopathic or Ayurvedic treatment for it, because the allopathy industry is doing a trial thing on everybody. Like, they have seen that certain pills like birth control pills or anti-diabetic pills helps in reducing this PCOS problem. So they prescribe these medicines because there is no particular medicine for this problem. But just think, if you are given birth control pills or anti-diabetic pills for 6 months, they will have side effect on your body. They will create some other problem for you. So it's better to take homeopathic treatment because it doesn't have any side effect. Both the treatments are long, you have to stick to it. So it's better you take homeopathic because it won't harm you in any other way. And even if you will Google home remedies for PCOS, it will show you plenty of herbs that can be used to reduce this PCOS problem, which are found in Ayurvedic or homeopathic medicines. So it's my real request to you all to take homeopathic treatment instead of allopathic treatment, because there is no proper medicine for this problem. Other than that, what lifestyle changes you can do is take proper diet, avoid poultry products like milk, paneer and all, reduce that. Take high protein diets and go work out daily. Have some physical activity in your life. Go walking, go cycling, go stretching, dance, anything. You should include some physical activity in your life. And I would suggest all the male members of the society, if your girlfriend is having this problem, if your wife is having this problem, if your sister is having this problem, please support that person, support her, take her to the doctor, get her tested, boost her morale, take her out for walking, take her cycling, take her dancing, dance with that girl. Please help your partners, help your sisters, help your wife. You should act as a support system in this thing, because many girls get very depressed because of PCOS. So you have to save them from depression. Everybody around, even if they are your parents or they are your sas sassur or anybody in the world, if you have PCOS, talk to them. And I would really request all of the other members of the society, if somebody around you, whether your friend or your cousin or anybody is having PCOS, please keep the person happy. Please help the person in reducing this problem, because it is increasing. In metro, if you'll go, you will see every second or third girl having lots of acne or facial hair or other kind of problems. It's not good. It's not really not good for our society. It's not that we have got this laser treatment, so we should not care about these. We should treat it internally. We should get rid of this problem internally. So please make sure that you work on it. And the ones who are having this problem, please don't feel embarrassed to talk about it. Please take proper treatment. And if you know anybody around you, please share this video with that person, with that girl, so that she can get treated on time. Do like and subscribe to my videos, and if you have any questions about PCOS, if you want to know anything else, or if you want to tell me something, my knowledge may not be complete, if you want to tell me something, you can comment below. And if you have any questions about the doctors, I can suggest you very good homeopathic doctors in Delhi. If you want to know the doctors, please do feel free to ask me. And please share and subscribe my videos. We're gonna do something else tomorrow. Till then, see ya, bye bye, cheers.